Hi guys! Today I am going to share with you my scarf collection. If you are just getting to this video and you don't know why I'm putting this video up, it's because I mentioned my scarf collection I think in another video, and I asked you guys if you wanted to see it again, even though I've actually already done a scarf collection video. Was it last year? I feel like it was last year. But I have a haul as well to include with that. So we'll take a look at my scarves again. We'll take a look at the new ones that I got, and then I'm actually going to condense what I already have and get rid of some of them and donate them off. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my haul. So I love scarves. I think the majority of us do. I think at one point I wasn't like a turtleneck or scarf person, but with the bronchitis I tend to get, I really use scarves to keep my chest warm. And even when I'm not wearing a scarf, I'm wearing a sweater all year round because I have to have my chest covered. Even like when I dress to go to the office or I dress to go to the mall, I am very modest and usually this is covered. I think it's a habit now. I don't necessarily do it on purpose, but when it's time to wear a scarf, I'm ultra excited because it's another great way to accessorize and look cute because you can tend to be bundled up and your outfit's kind of covered. So a scarf is just a really nice way to showcase, you know, your personality and your style. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna actually take you guys into my closet with me and I'll show you how I actually store my current scarves, and then I'll show you guys my new scarves, and then we'll condense and get rid of some of my older scarves. All right, so here, it's kind of silly. It's a lot, but this is like an accumulation of years upon years upon years. So this is kind of where I store. You can see there are shoes here. I am not doing a closet tour, but I have actually already gone through this collection with you guys, but let's go ahead and walk through some of these. Okay, so we're just going to kind of zoom in. I don't really want to mess and start taking these down, but this first scarf right here is very special to me because my grandmother actually knitted me this scarf. And this one's my favorite. The color combo is gorgeous. Okay, this next scarf, there's really nothing fancy about it, but as you can see, it's kind of ruffly, and there are like gold specks, and it's blue. I tend to really gravitate towards blue. If you were to look over here, you can see like a huge chunk of my closet is blue. I don't know why that is, but I love blue. So I actually love this scarf. There's something really beautiful about the way the ruffle kind of sits on you. And this one is probably one I wear the most. It's actually, I think, an infinity black scarf. And it has like the frayed edging. I mean, there's so much detail to this black scarf, it's unreal, but it's gorgeous. I love this one. Like I said, it's the one I wear the most. This is a beautiful mint green infinity scarf as well. I wish the camera could pick up what it really looks like. It's kind of coming off a little bit washed out, but it's a beautiful scarf. This one is another favorite of mine. There is something just gorgeous about a neon and then a neutral color. Like, I'm obsessed with that. So this is not an infinity scarf, I don't believe. Actually, I think this is an infinity scarf. Here's the next one. It's like a baby pink basic. I think this is a great staple to have, or some solids. I'm very much into solids. I'm not really patterny, but if I do wear a pattern, it's going to be in a scarf for sure. So this one is gorgeous because it's kind of like an Aztec feel, and I love the ends, and I love like the bright pink and like the orange. This one I probably would wear more like after Christmas and the, you know, endings of the winter and then kind of getting towards the spring is probably when I would wear this, or right in the beginning of fall, but it's still warm out, so I can't really wear that one. This one is, I think, is coming to its last legs, which I think is going to be one of the first ones I'm going to get rid of. Some of these little like pom-poms are coming off, but I really do love the scarf. Look how long the ends are. It's gorgeous, and it kind of has that ruffly feel to it as well. This one, like I said earlier, was a gift from Nepal. A friend of mine is from Nepal, and she went to go get married, and she thought of me and brought me back this handmade scarf, and it's blue. I love this. I wear it all the time. This scarf I actually made myself last year during Plaid Week. So Plaid Week is one of my favorite series that I've ever come up with, that I've ever done on my channel. I can't wait for this year's. And last year I did a owner and doggy matching scarf. So my dog has her own plaid scarf as well. And I just added like a lace trim to mine. So obsessed with this scarf. Can't wait to wear it again. Here is another huge favorite. Something about this scarf, I don't know why, the color combination, the warmer tones with the neons is just genius to me. Whoever designed this scarf, I think, really knows what they're doing. And of course, I have to have my traditional tartan plaid. I mean, this scarf is probably next to the black one, are the two that I probably wear the most. And look at the ends. Even the ends are kind of like a plaid, which I love. This one I love as well. It has like a black plaid to it, and this one's super soft. I wish you guys could feel it. And it's huge too, so I could always wrap it around me like a blanket. This scarf was a gift for Christmas, and I'm obsessed with the color combo. I have to wash it. It's kind of, sorry about that, but it's this blue. Blue just grabs me, pulls me in. I cannot walk away from blue. Here is another plaid. I love this color combo as well. I think that the traditional is probably my favorite, but this green and blue is everything. And you get the little frayed edges, and it's really huge. This one is so old, it's probably going to be another one that's about to be tossed. Now, this scarf is really pretty, but I've never actually worn it, but it's just gorgeous. It has a yellow tone to it, and it's very Aztec-y. And actually, I bought a bunch of these scarves for my daughter one year for Christmas, like this one, this one, this one. But I learned very quickly that my daughter does not like scarves. She does not really like sweaters, so I ended up inheriting them. This scarf is super gorgeous. I love the lace detail. It's very feminine, and it's a staple in my opinion to have a scarf like this because it can kind of almost go with anything. This scarf, I think I have loved the most out of almost all of them, next to the one my grandmother made. But this scarf is actually a combination of this green, this yellow, and this blue, which are ultimately my three favorite color combos together. This one is a just hot pink scarf. I actually bought this when I was in California in Beverly Hills at a hotel because it actually turned out to be a little cooler than I expected. This scarf, I don't remember where I got this. I think this is like a Walmart scarf maybe, and I love the pattern. I love the see-through aspect of it. I think it is an infinity, and I love just a plain red scarf. The next one is just this mint green scarf. I mean, there's really nothing to it. It has like just a simple frayed edging, and I'll probably end up getting rid of that one as well, just because I prefer this one over this one. Now, these two scarves are actually from Dollar Tree, and I absolutely adore the navy and the red together. Absolutely love that. But I don't wear these, so I think those might go. This scarf is really cool. It was a gift like more than 10 years ago. It was a gift for Christmas, but I rarely wear this too. So this one may go, and I think this one may go as well. It's really beautiful. I just never wear them. And this one too. This one's just not my favorite. I don't like how it's just kind of a blah color to me. This one I love because it's like a baby pink with these gold flecks in it. So it's really beautiful. I don't wear this floral, so that one's gonna go as well, but it is a really beautiful print. It's more like springtime scarf. And this one I think came with like an outfit, and one end is the blue and the other end is the gray. And then this is just a plain scarf, like a work professional scarf, not something that you would necessarily wear for like spring or fall or winter. It's just like to go with your work outfit. But it used to be my grandma's, so I've never wanted to let go of that. All right, so now I am thinking, oh, I missed one. Here's one. I actually really love this one. This one is like a very springtimey scarf. It's got the floral, but I actually love this one. I wouldn't get rid of this one. So all of these I like. This one is coming to an end. It just doesn't look like it's frayed on purpose. It looks like my dog chewed it up. This one is going to go as well. I think I'm going to get rid of this one, although look how beautiful it is. It is really a beautiful scarf. I think this one's got to go. This one I love. I actually do wear the pink. There's something about solid colors that just makes it easy for me to put an outfit together. I can't seem to get creative when an outfit has prints and patterns. So for me, if it's solid, it makes it easy for me to put an outfit together. I'm going to keep the red. I'm going to get rid of this mint green. I'm going to get rid of those two. This one, this one, this one. I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to get rid of this one and this one. I got rid of quite a few that I just didn't think I was going to get rid of. I thought I would probably find like 2, maybe 3 at the most. I'm excited about that because I'm going to go and donate them. But now I'm going to show you the ones that I recently just bought. I'm obsessed because I don't actually have any of these color combos in my current collection. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen these because I gave you guys a sneak peek. But the very first one is this gorgeous lace blue scarf. And I actually got all of these on Amazon, by the way. I'll link it down below for you. But gorgeous. And I love how much material there is. I mean, you could like wrap this and it's going to be really warm, but it's this lace that I'm just like, I cannot. I will probably insert a video right here so that you can see what I would wear this with and how cute it would be on. But I did get this, like I said, on Amazon. I love this. And all of these were not expensive at all. Next one is another plaid because I have to. I don't have enough plaid in my opinion, and I could literally jump into a pool of plaid and eat plaid and drink plaid and smell plaid. So the fact that I just didn't have this color combo of an orange, and I love orange. It's actually my ultimate favorite color, but I don't decorate with orange anymore, and I used to before. Orange roses are my favorite. It's just this color that I love so much, and now I have it in a scarf. And this is a really huge scarf too, by the way. It's like a scarf blanket. Like, I couldn't even fit this whole thing in the screen if I wanted to. What? It's like a blanket. And the very last one is this infinity mustard yellow scarf. And let me tell you the backstory of why I picked this color, because as you can see on me, it is not my color. I've never been able to pull off yellows in my life. It washes me out, but I watch OK Baby, and they're my favorite like vloggers on YouTube. And Kira had gone to Target and bought this like sweater that was in this color, and it looked stunning on her. And I was just like, I want that. And anything, a scarf, a sweater, and I'm gonna rock it even though it doesn't look good on me. I don't care. But also Amazon, look how gorgeous this infinity scarf is. But yes, like, hello people. I mean, I know, yellow's not my color, but I'm still gonna wear it. Okay guys, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my scarf collection, and if you just needed more, because I think I spoke to my current collection a lot more in my last video, I will link it down below for you. I think it's on my Crafty Girl Vlogs channel, so I will find it and link it in case you want to go watch that. Otherwise, you just saw my scarf collection twice, obviously plus the new stuff. And I'll see you soon. So everyone have a great day, and I'll see you next time.